Hi everyone. In this series, we will explore the life stories of famous people from around the world, such as Queen Elizabeth II, Albert Einstein, Nelson Mandela, Michael Jackson, and so on. You can learn about their life stories in just a few minutes while also improving your English listening and reading skills. Let's dive into the Learn English Through Stories series now. Kendrick Lamar. Early life and career. Kendrick Lamar Duckworth, born on June 17, 1987, in Compton, California, is a famous rapper known for his powerful music. He grew up in a tough neighborhood, where he saw gang violence and police brutality, which influenced his lyrics. He started rapping as a teenager under the name K. and released his first mixtape, WHNIC, Hub City Threat, Minor of the Year, in 2003. Rise to fame. Lamar gained fame with his first major album, Good Kid, Mad City, in 2012. The album included popular songs like Swimming Pools, Drank, and Poetic Justice. His thoughtful lyrics and unique style caught the attention of both fans and critics. In 2015, he released To Pimp a Butterfly, which debuted at number 1 on the Billboard 200 and featured the Grammy-winning song, I. His performance at the 2016 Grammy Awards was powerful and addressed important social issues. Continued success and influence. His 2017 album, Damn, included hits like Humble and made history by winning the Pulitzer Prize for Music in 2018, the first time a hip-hop album received this honor. He also produced the soundtrack for the movie Black Panther. In 2022, Lamar released Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers, which dealt with personal and social themes. His surprise album GNX in 2024 featured collaborations with artists like SZA. It included the hit, Not Like Us, adding to his ongoing feud with rapper Drake. Lamar is engaged to Whitney Alford, and they have 2 children, Uzi and Enoch. With an estimated net worth of $140 million, he has his own creative company, PG Lang, and works with brands like Nike. His music and influence continue to shape modern hip-hop.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.